Welcome to Self-Growth Stories, where every story inspires you to learn, grow, and believe in yourself. There was a time when I explained everything. My choices, my silence, my dreams. I thought if people understood me, they wouldn't judge me. I was wrong. No matter how clearly I explain myself, some people still misunderstood. Not because I wasn't clear, but because they were never listening. So in 2026, I stopped explaining. Not out of anger, not out of pride, but out of self-respect. I learned something important. People who truly care don't need long explanations. And people who don't will never accept them anyway. I stopped shrinking my truth to fit someone else's comfort. I stopped apologizing for growing. I stopped proving my worth. Because my peace became more important than being understood. At first, it felt uncomfortable. Silence always does. Some people questioned me. Some walked away. Some stayed quietly. And that's when I realized, not everyone is meant to go with you into your next chapter. I didn't become cold. I became clear. Clear about my boundaries. Clear about my time. Clear about my energy. I learned that saying no doesn't make you selfish. It makes you honest. And choosing yourself doesn't mean you love others less. It means you finally love yourself enough. So if you're watching this and feel tired of explaining your life, your healing, your growth, remember this: you don't owe everyone an explanation. You owe yourself peace. And maybe 2026 isn't the year you spoke louder, but the year your silence finally spoke for you.